Hello everyone, today I will show you how to have two Snapchat accounts on one phone. And here's how it's done. First, update Snapchat to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search Snapchat and tap Update if needed. Next, open Snapchat and log into your first account. Tap your Bitmoji in the top left. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Log Out. On the login screen, tap Use Other Account and enter the second account's info. Once both accounts are logged in at least once, Snapchat will save them. To switch, just log out and pick the account you want from the login screen. And that is everything you need to know about how to have two Snapchat accounts on one phone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.